Well, the objective with the Tavor program was to have a continuity of development of assault rifle in Israel, since they developed the Galil back in the 60s, and they felt that we're losing some kind of know-how in developing assault rifles. So they decided that we should have this continuity, and the project of the Tavor came up, and they wanted also to have a proprietary Israeli gun that would replace the M4. It was a very small team. It was a team of 3 engineers and 3 designers, and it was really the days that it was early 90s. The polymer products were non-existent. The initial frame of the Tavor had to be made out of glass reinforced products, and we were not thinking about doing it with polymer. The polymer came later on during the late 90s, when let's say plastic evolved and really gave us the opportunity to build a frame that was strong enough for the high standard that the IDF put on us. Well, the whole development of the Tavor took around 4 years. We worked jointly with, at the beginning, Special Forces, because it was quite a secret then. It entered the Givati Brigade at first, somewhere in the mid 90s towards 2000, and we got it was given to a whole brigade, and we got responses from the field, and every now and then we made some adjustments according to what soldier gave us as feedback. Usually there were ergonomic features, mainly the charging handle, the angle of the grip, how thick will be the forehand, will the buttstock have a rubber pad or not, what's the height of the Picatinny rail, and so on and so forth. I'll tell you something else. Since the IDF is working very hard both in environment of outdoor and indoor confined places, they wanted to adapt the bullpup, so they have a small package which will give them the opportunity to the soldier to be able to work in urban environments and in open environments as well. Well, now in my company Recover, we're trying to integrate some of the vision we had back in the days, like when we worked on the Tavor, and put some very innovative products into the market, and really kind of we're concentrating now on the 1911, and we're doing a lot of things with the grip that really are game changers. Well, I have a long history of designing products with FAB. We work on a lot of projects, both on a project that they initiate and both on project that I initiate. And since I had back in the days some ideas that weren't integrated in the initial Tavor, I just kept them in the drawer and wait for the right time to pop them out and put them on the Tavor. So one of them was the Podium B-Pod, which is really a revolutionary B-Pod for an assault rifle, because it actually integrates within the frame of the gun very close to the grip, and once it's closed you cannot see it, and it frees totally the front part of the gun, so you actually can have a B-Pod and other accessories that you wouldn't have if you would put the B-Pod in the front end of the gun. That's the idea of the monopod that pops out of the lower end of the grip is my idea actually, and I remember doing it in the workshop when we developed it. It was a magnet thing, but it wasn't adopted, although it shot very well. But this gave me later the idea to make a P-pod and make it into something that is really functional and sturdy. We did a couple of years ago a takeoff of the Tavor, which is called the Maroon, and it's actually the next generation of the Tavor. And now we're trying to really give it some life and make it into a product. So we don't know yet which will be the end client. Maybe it will be IWI, maybe other clients, but it's basically kind of a takeoff of the original Tavor. I wasn't part of the X95. The X95 is something that the IDF initiated for them to have some kind of midlife product that would enter some of the brigades. But I was part of the initial Tavor design. And it carries till today. I mean, it's really a very popular gun in the U.S. It was well accepted, although it's not being made as American-like guns. I mean, this backward the magazine bullpup style is something that the American public learns to like.